Sorry, my video was gone. I don't know how to fix this one, but the video is shaky. Now I have two more screws. So I cannot hold it. I put my printer on the top of the shovel table. That's why it's moving, so I don't have a lock. So this is the board that we're gonna replace. So I have a new one for this one. So this is it. So we're gonna pick up the new one and install the new one. I don't know. Okay. So this is the network board that I have to swap with the bad one. So in order to test this one, we cannot test it until we power on the printer. So this is the port for the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then snap all the wires back after you screw to finish screwing it. Okay. I found a place to find an eye spot for my camera, so I can show you how to install it. The wires, this is the wires that you have to put back. So the wires commonly they have their own sizes, so they are made just to fit in, so you will not make mistakes. So different sizes for different wires. This one goes to the scanner and the LCD panel there. So far it's connected. Now, before you put back the cover, you have to test it without a cover, so you will know it's really working. Okay, so plug the cable here at the back. There's a cable. The cable is connected to the port is connected to the network board that I replaced, and it has a power port. So the printer looks like a robot for now. So make sure it's working before you see if it's really working. So wait, it's loading. My camera doesn't. Okay, it's initializing for now. Oh, now it's just ready. Wow. Look, see? Without setting, because it's already been set. The computer the network is already installed because automatically, because the main board that the board that we replace is good. So this is the IP address for now, means it's connected. What we gotta do is connect it to the computer. And see if it's working. So the IP address will be, you have to put it to the computer. You see the blue on the right side? Yeah, the blue on the right side means it's connected. Press that one and it says ready. See? So the network board that we replace is good. Now in order to check if it's really working, you have to go to the reports and then print the configuration and print the demo page. Okay, it worked. Wow, perfect. And do the demo page. Okay, PC phone. Okay, everything's working. Connects to all kinds of okay, looks good to me. It's almost perfect. Now we got a problem. So after we check this one, okay, we got a problem, only a little problem. We have this, the firmware is not updated. The firmware code is 2012, so it's like 8 years or more that behind. 8 years or more behind. So we're gonna need a new firmware for this model. So, but anyway, I'm gonna show it in my next video. So for now, I'll show you how to install the network board. So maybe I will not show you how to return it, but I'm going to show you how to return the top cover and return everything. This is side cover, another side cover. The left hand side of the printer when facing you is that's the only thing you open when you need to replace the network board. Okay. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put it back. The side cover, the technique. Just snap it back. More easy to remove this one. Snap it there. See that? Snap it. There you go. Ta-da. That is good. And the other side, gonna be the same, sir. Okay, open the toilet again. And stop it too. Push down and push up. 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 I failed. So, shall I do it again? It's a little bit hard from there, but so we're gonna start it from outside part. Steel. Here. A little bit tricky, but we have a technique for doing that. It's my headache. Sometimes the easy job is the hard job. The easy job will be the hard job. The easy job will be the hard job. Oh, nice, good. See, make sure it's aligned, and the side is aligned, and then you snap it. There you go. Easy. Okay. Don't be afraid to tapping it. Look at that. You bring it place it in the right way. So aligned. You have to make sure it's aligned properly before you install it. So I will not show you again how to put it back. I mean, to test it before, because we already tested the network before we installed everything. And before installing sometimes it's this part of the like a duplexer, we call it duplexer. This part is going down. You have to put it back and put it up and snap it. Here you go. Be careful not to stuck it down before you push the tray to. Okay? Okay, thanks for watching for my short video. Today we'll learn about how to replace and install a new board for HP LaserJet Pro 400 401 DNA. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.